Trader, we have the Nasdaq 100 futures. It's 9 p.m. Eastern time on an hourly Sunday night, low volume prop. We managed to clear one resistance. Resistance number 2 is right here that we talked about in earlier videos, where the last of the exuberance can test the high. We've said that from day one. We can stand by that. Then from there, we're going to master what the end of the month of October and November. These are setups that go out to November 15th. And we've cleared resistance, where we got resistance number 2. It's up there at 2020.25. That's exactly where we can said it would go. It's going there. The bull is pushing the futures there in the PM session in the NQ100.